How to fix add phone number option missing in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Adding a phone number to your Roblox account, you can try following the simple steps. Make sure that your account confirms that you're 13 years old or older. So phone number addition is not allowed for the users under 13. So click on gear icon in the top right, go to settings, go to account info, and then check for your birthday. You can also look for country restrictions. Phone number verification may not be available in every country. So if your country is not supported, the option to add phone number may not appear over here. And you can try verifying the account security settings. If you have set up an account PIN, you can unlock your settings before attempting to make any changes. Lastly, if you're using Roblox Player, simply uninstall the player from your computer and then reinstall it using the official website of Roblox and you'll be done. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.